Welcome to the tour of Clarenville campus. As I've said, my name is Lauren Brake, and I'll be walking you through this tour today. So we're starting this tour off in the parking lot of our building and going into the main entrance. Once you're in the main entrance, you'll see that our building is made up of 2 floors. So we have the main office right at your right there, and we'll go right into the practical nursing lab. So our practical nursing lab is also shared with our personal care attendant program, and it is set up to look like a healthcare clinic. So right now we have 6 hospital beds in there, and they work just like a regular hospital bed would. You can raise them up, raise the bars, and we have several medical mannequins in there as well that our students can take the blood pressure of or work on doing like a bed bath, things like that. It is state of the art. It's a beautiful space, and our students get a lot of really interesting hands-on clinical experience there. As you can see, we have some skeletons, some IV bags. These are all sorts of skills that our students get to learn when you're there. Moving on down the hallway, we have our blended delivery room. So this is where we'll be offering blended delivery of some of our business administration, office administration programming. So it is state of the art. You can see that there are cameras, there's 2 boards so we can record instructors. So you'll see your classmates on the wall. You can see the lectures on the back. It is an awesome, awesome classroom, and this was all redone last year. So as you can see, we're back out in the hallway. And once you go to the end of the hallway, you can go right up these stairs. And when you come out here, you come right straight into our library learning commons. So our library learning commons is a beautiful space that was redone a couple of years ago. So we have huddle stations where you can do group work. There's a boardroom space in the back. We have lots of comfortable seating, a laptop bar, some general collection reading, a Newfoundland Labrador collection, some computers to use, and there's separate study carrels in the back. And you can look at a beautiful view of the town of Clarenville. There's a lot of natural light in here, and it is a really beautiful space. So directly across from that, you can go to our cafeteria. So on a regular year, we do have full cafeteria service, and our cafeteria can fit almost our entire student body. So as you can see, there's lots of seating, there's some vending machines, and a lot of really beautiful natural light as well. And we really like the fun paint colors at our campus. You can tell that too. When you go down the hallway, you can pop right into our office administration year 1 classroom. So this is where we teach office administration. So as you can see, there's lots of computers, desk chairs. It's really important to have that kind of proper form when you're typing in office administration. Some beautiful natural lighting coming in. Like I said, that same kind of view of Clarenville. This is on the same side of the building that the library is on. And a really nice brand new smartboard. This classroom was redone in the last couple of years as well. So it is really nice and fancy. So when you come out of there, you can go right down this hallway. As I said, our building is made up of 2 main floors. And once you're down this hallway, you can either go to the carpentry shop or to the pipe fitting shop. So we'll go pipe fitting first. So our steam fitter pipe fitter shop is quite large. So this is the first bay when you walk right in. And this is where you might do a lot of joining, some different metal fabrication. So pipe fitting is a 9-month program. And their classroom space is actually at the top of the stairs for all their theory work. But if you go out here, you can see that we have several welding booths. So where the red is actually separate welding booths. And then all these different desk stations are for student work as well. And then you go out there and it just keeps going. Like I said, the pipe fitting shop is a huge space. Obviously, pipe fitting is a really big hands-on work. So there's a lot of storage that comes with that as well. So you can see that we have a variety of pipes there, a variety of tools, workstations, storage, and all of our students right now come right in through the back. So we have these really nice large garage doors, especially when it gets really warm in the spring, we can open those up. And our shops are really these bright, beautiful spaces. So when you leave there, you can go down to the other end of the hallway and go into the carpenter shop. So our carpenter shop actually has a classroom that is right at the top of these stairs for all the theory work. And then we have two separate shop spaces. So the first space is with all these really nice big workbenches. So as touched on in my presentation, carpentry is very hands-on. You do learn a lot of different unique skills. So with that comes a lot of different equipment. So we have this really nice big planing machine. Like I said, really nice big garage doors for moving things in and out. Big saws. And this space really gives our students a lot of room to practice builds. So as you can see here, students were building a platform with stairs. You know, we have storage right in the back. And if you go through this door, is actually where our woodshed is as well. Because, like I said, industrial trades programs do take a lot of storage, takes a lot of materials to practice the skills, and we never want our students to not have the things they need to really succeed. But our students get to build a lot of really interesting things. And that is actually the last room on our tour. So this will be live after the fact, and you will be able to kind of go and maneuver and look around a little more. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know now and I can hop on and answer them.